The origin of Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, is shrouded in mystery. Bitcoin was introduced to the world in 2008 when an individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Let's take a detailed look at the origin of Bitcoin. Pre-2008. The concept of digital currencies and cryptographic money had been explored by various individuals and groups in the decades leading up to Bitcoin's creation. These early attempts, such as e-gold and DigiCash, relied on centralized authorities for trust and control. 2008. The publication of the Bitcoin white paper. The true origin of Bitcoin can be traced back to October 31, 2008, when Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper describing a revolutionary decentralized digital currency system. The white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was posted to a cryptography mailing list and later shared on a public forum. The key concepts in the white paper are as follows. Nakamoto's white paper introduced several fundamental concepts that underpin Bitcoin. The first concept was decentralization. Bitcoin aimed to create a system without the need for intermediaries like banks, operating on a decentralized network of computers. Secondly, utilizing blockchain technology. The white paper introduced the concept of the blockchain, a distributed ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions transparently and securely. A concept known as proof of work. Bitcoin's consensus mechanism, proof of work, was described as a way to secure the network by requiring miners to solve complex mathematical puzzles. And a validation system known as mining. The white paper explained how miners would be rewarded with newly created Bitcoins for validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. January 3, 2009, Genesis block and mining. On January 3, 2009, Nakamoto mined the first ever Bitcoin block, known as the Genesis block, or Block 0. The transaction within the Genesis block included a message referencing a headline from the Times newspaper. The Times, 3 January 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. This event marked the official launch of Bitcoin. 2009 to 2010, early days and development. In the early days of Bitcoin, Nakamoto and a small community of developers worked on refining the software and infrastructure. Bitcoin's earliest users were mostly tech enthusiasts and early adopters who experimented with mining, trading, and using the cryptocurrency for online transactions. In May 2010, Bitcoin's first documented real-world transaction occurred when Laszlo Hanyecz famously paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Bitcoin gained attention for its potential to provide financial freedom and security. 2010, Satoshi Nakamoto's disappearance. Nakamoto remained active in the Bitcoin community until 2010 but gradually stopped participating in discussions and development. The true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin, remains one of the most enduring mysteries in the world of cryptocurrency and technology. Over the years, there have been numerous speculations and rumors about who Satoshi Nakamoto might be, but none of these claims have been definitively proven. 2010s, Bitcoin's expansion. During the 2010s, Bitcoin gradually gained more recognition and adoption. Bitcoin exchanges like Mt. Gox, Magic, the Gathering online exchange, became key platforms for buying and trading Bitcoin. By 2013, Bitcoin's price reached over $1,000 for the first time on some exchanges, attracting significant media coverage and speculation. The cryptocurrency experienced price volatility, attracting media attention and speculative interest. Bitcoin's use cases began to expand beyond digital cash, with some viewing it as digital gold and an investment asset. 2011 to 2017. Emergence of altcoins and forks. As Bitcoin's popularity grew, alternative cryptocurrencies, altcoins, like Litecoin and Namecoin were introduced, each with its unique features. In 2017, a contentious debate over Bitcoin's scaling solution led to a hard fork, resulting in the creation of Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Bitcoin's price experienced significant volatility and reached an all-time high of nearly $20,000 in December 2017. Regulatory scrutiny increased, with governments and financial institutions seeking to understand and regulate cryptocurrencies. Major financial institutions, corporations, and institutional investors began showing interest in Bitcoin as an asset class. Institutional interest and investment in Bitcoin have grown significantly in recent years. 2020s. Bitcoin's impact. Bitcoin has become a global digital asset with a market capitalization in the trillions of dollars, and it continues to influence the financial and technological landscape. Bitcoin gained recognition as digital gold, with some investors viewing it as a store of value and a hedge against economic uncertainty. Institutional adoption, including investments by companies like Tesla and Square, signaled growing acceptance of Bitcoin in traditional finance. Its adoption by institutional investors and corporations, along with regulatory developments, have contributed to its mainstream recognition. Current state and future outlook. Bitcoin continues to evolve, with ongoing technological developments, scaling solutions, and efforts to improve its efficiency and environmental impact. It remains a subject of debate, with discussions about its role in the financial system and the potential for wider adoption as both a currency and an investment asset. The origin of Bitcoin represents a pivotal moment in the history of finance and technology. Satoshi Nakamoto's creation of a decentralized digital currency system has led to the development of thousands of cryptocurrencies and has sparked discussions about the future of money and financial systems worldwide. The history of Bitcoin is still being written as it remains a dynamic and influential force in the world of finance and technology. The evolution of the cryptocurrency space continues each day, growing exponentially. Bitcoin was the beginning, but we are nowhere near the end. To learn more and get started, check out our other videos. Make sure to subscribe to be the first to get all the crypto and financial info to set yourself up for wealth and success.